welcome back to Sweet Heavenly Dove. We're about to do a DIY making a Chuckie tool. It's the felt pads, some glue, the Dollar Tree jar, which I already took this off using pliers. I think I even purchased these pliers from Dollar Tree and I took it off. I have my insides of this. I have my 3 tops. So let's get started. First of all, I cleaned the jar already. I think she put, okay, we're back. It's been about 20 minutes or so. Oh. And we still have to put this on here. This has the adhesive back. And I think I'm gonna put a little extra glue on here, just to make sure. Okay. Even it up. Straight. And we'll be back in another 20 minutes. So here's my Chuckie tool. And glide on the misty, the smooth, so you can have even pressure on your stamps. Well, that's all, folks. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Take care.